that worked alright, I think. Not bad, and it will be good to use for all those places where the paint is really thick. You can see here it's the old color, yellow, and there's blue. I guess that's the ground paint. And this stuff's been rolled on, and it's really tough to get off. So I'm going to try to get maybe some higher gritted paper and see how that works, if it's fast or not, because this takes some time. But it's not a bad result, because I just wiped it off now. And then I used some paint in the end just to clear away the residue. So what you saw the wife put on, paint remover, this one's called, and then warm water, and then the paint thinner, so just to get all the residue off. Okay job for today. Thank you all guys for watching, and I hope you have a really nice day. And if you have any tips or hints, just leave them downstairs, alright? Thank you very much. Bye bye.